In this video, you will learn how a direct reseller or a distributor can quote and order support renewal for a list of selected devices that are not owned by the partner. In this context, a takeover request is automatically sent by PaLM to the ALE ordering team and has to be approved or rejected by the team. To access the Fleet dashboard page, connect to the Business Store application. Select Proactive Lifecycle Management item from the drop-down list of applications. On the Open PaLM web page, click the Fleet Dashboard tab on the top bar. The Fleet Dashboard page appears. The Fleet Dashboard view consists of a table that displays all devices that have been purchased from ALE by a direct reseller or a distributor. Devices to be displayed can be filtered with advanced filters. In this example, we will filter and display devices that are not owned by the requesting partner and quote and order a support renewal for these devices. You must select all applicants in the applicant field, then provide the list of devices by serial number in the serial numbers field, or import an Excel file with the list of serial numbers and click the Renew and Takeover radio button. In this example, the serial numbers Y0380302, Y5087532, Y5087493, and U2180335 have been selected. Click the Renew and Take Over radio button, then the Search button to run the query. The Fleet table will appear after a few moments. The Fleet table displays the list of all network devices corresponding to serial numbers, but some columns, including the applicant number and ALE order number, are blank because the devices are not owned by the connected user. In the applicant name column, the text "not part of installed base" is displayed to indicate to the user that these devices are not owned by the partner. Check the quote box in the upper left corner. All devices displayed will be selected and added to your shopping cart. Then click the Create Shopping Cart button. To select a renewal without co-termination, click Create Shopping Cart of the Renewal with Co-termination pop-up. The option to create a shopping cart with co-termination is also supported and is, in this case, a minimum 1-year support contract is mandatory for a support renewal with a takeover. The shopping cart page will appear. Your shopping cart can be transformed in 3 steps. The first step allows you to manage and build the shopping cart. Enter free text to identify and give your shopping cart a name. If you have a SDR key or a PAF code, enter them in the field provided. They will be used during the processing of your quote to get the relevant negotiated discount. For the second step, go down to the configuration. The table displays all selected devices. The serial number and device type are displayed for each device, as well as the start date and end date depending on the support duration selected. Select the support model for each selected devices. The partner model is used worldwide in all countries except the USA. The end customer model is mainly used in the USA, but is also available worldwide for all countries. Indicate the support type, software for basic support level, or plus for advanced support level. Software and plus support type can be mixed. Finally, select the support duration of 1, 2, 3, or 5 years. Each device can individually have different durations, or all devices can have the same support duration. When your support data choices are completed, click the Compute Quote button to get your shopping cart. Only the buyer and account manager roles are able to compute, quote, and create shopping carts. The quote table contains the references of cataloged items that should be ordered to cover the renewal of support contracts for the selected devices identified by serial numbers. You can also export your quote to an Excel spreadsheet that can be emailed to your customer. Accept and save your quote by clicking the Accept this quote and Continue button. When the user reviews the quote, the user can return to the Shopping Cart tab and modify or accept the quote. The shopping cart is moved to the quote accepted state and a quote validity end date is computed. This means that the computed quote is accepted by the user and the prices will be kept until this validity date. To keep the same prices, the order must be created before this date. Now is the time to provide all customer information before placing the order. You will also be able to make edits when returning to the Shopping Cart tab. Fields are not mandatory but very useful for managing your installed base. Accept the terms and conditions and click the Place Order button. To confirm your order, enter your internal PO and click Confirm Order button. As it's the takeover for serial numbers that are not owned by the new partner, the shopping cart moves to the pending approval state. This means that the order has not been placed, and the ALE team must validate or reject this order after a negotiation between the channel sales manager of each partner and the partners. An automatic email is sent to ALE ordering team to notify them about the new shopping cart in the pending approval state. When navigating to the Shopping Cart tab, the partner can see the shopping cart in the pending approval state waiting for validation or rejection from the ALE ordering team. While ALE's ordering team is validating the shopping cart in the pending for approval state, the shopping cart will move to the processing order state. The partner is then notified by email about the order placed. When connected to the PaLM Fleet dashboard, the partner can see that the shopping cart moved to the ordered state and entitlements on the devices are done the day after. If the ALE ordering team rejects the shopping cart, the partner is notified by email about the rejected order. When connected to the PaLM Fleet dashboard, the partner can see that the shopping cart has moved to the rejected state. Thank you for watching this video.